is criticizing the current NEP premier. Chris. All right. Thanks very much, Jordan.
It's dubbed the Best Breweries fundraising bonspiel, where local craft brewers put their own unique twist on curling.
Instead of stones, they use empty
Ay,
beer
Philippines.
and spoke to the founders about how they were inspired to invent this new sport.
An empty keg is usually a sign a good time has been had. But when it hits the ice here in the Comox Valley Curling Club, the fun is just beginning.
We invented this. This is the world's first and only beer keg bonspiel.
The idea first came to Keith Perry 6 years ago.
But I wonder how well a keg would curl on ice because it has
Yeah.
bottom like a curling stone. So we tried it.
Every year since, they've invited local breweries to take part in what's become a fundraising event. 8 teams curling their kegs down a half sheet with all eyes on the bragging rights.
Yeah, we took home the gold.
And ultimately, the title winner.
Sila mga puti, no? Mahilig manood ng news.
It's hard to explain.
Oo.
Ako, wala akong tiyaga.
Yan lang ang ano niya, buhay niya. Mahilig talaga siya kahit sa newspaper, kahit sa cellphone niya.
With more than 4 billion
Pagising niya, titignan niya yung mga balita-balita.
Wala akong tiyaga sa ano.
Ay, naku, sinabi ko pa.
Tapos, masama na yung mga nangyayari sa mundo. Papanoorin mo pa, Ginoo.
Yan. Ano siya, mahilig talaga siya sa kwento, mga kwento.
not getting swept up in the sport.
Mm.
We were limited to 8 breweries the last couple of years, but I think moving forward, the public
Nako. Maksyon na yung mata ko.
Uy, alas 10 na pala. Natutulog ka na rin.
Kaya nga.
O kapag, pag dumilim na, papatayin ko na rin si Derek.
4 hours na. 4:27.
finish off before we get
Still a chance for some showers. The heavy rain is really going to start to move in overnight towards our Saturday kickoff plans for the weekend. The nice
Ayun.
one will be on our Sunday.
Uy, ay, ay.